Welcome all. Myself Sridhar Ganesh Kale. I am here to represent my project on COVID-19 pandemic prevention guidance. So let's begin with my project. Content of my project is introduction, purpose, information regarding COVID-19, tips, side effect of COVID-19 pandemic, good thing to come out of COVID-19 pandemic, and some do's and don'ts. So coronavirus 2020, all you need to know about this deadly virus. Let's begin with introduction part. First one is coronavirus have been making people cough and sneeze. They are among the many viruses that cause the common cold, but not all are so mild manner. A few severe type can lead to serious illness and death. Coronavirus get their name from their shape. These round viruses are surrounded by halo of spiky protein that makes them look a bit like crown or the corona of the sun. In fact, being termed a coronavirus is less about genetics and more about the way it appears under the microscope, explained by Brent C. Starfield. Purpose of my projects are listed below. First one is to understand about coronavirus and origin of coronavirus. What are the signs and symptoms of coronavirus? Some useful tips to prevent coronavirus. Who are at more risk in case of coronavirus? COVID-19 information. First one is what is coronavirus? At the end of 2019, a new type of coronavirus began making people sick with flu-like symptoms. The illness is called coronavirus disease 19 or COVID-19 for short. The virus spread easily and has now affected people in many countries. Second one is what are the signs and symptoms of coronavirus? That is COVID-19. The coronavirus causes fever, cough, trouble of breathing. Some people have sore throat. Symptoms are a bit like those have with a cold or flu. The virus can be more serious in some people, especially if they are sick or have a health problem. Third one is how does coronavirus, that is COVID-19, spread? The people can catch coronavirus from others who have the virus. The most often this happens when the infected person sneezes, coughs, sending tiny droplets into the air. They can land in the nose, mouth or eyes of someone nearby or be breathed in. Less often people can get infected if they touch an infected droplet on a surface and then touch their own nose, mouth or eyes. Is coronavirus dangerous to children? Yes. There seems to be far fewer cases of virus reported in children. Most kids with the infection caught it from someone they live with or on a family member. The virus seems to be usually cause a milder infection in children than in adults or elder people, but which is also dangerous to children. The fifth one is what is most at risk? We are learning more about COVID-19 affect people every day. Older people and people with chronic medical conditions such as diabetes and heart disease appear to be more at risk of developing severe symptoms. We know it is possible for people of any age to be infected with the virus, but so far there are relatively few cases of COVID-19 reported among children. This is a new virus and we need to learn more about how it affects children. Sixth one is how can the spread of COVID-19 be slowed down or prevented? First one is staying home when risk, covering mouth and nose with flex elbow or tissue when coughing or sneezing. Dispose of used tissue immediately. Third one is washing hands often with the soap and water. Cleaning frequently touch surface and object. Here is some useful tips to prevent the spread of germs with the help protect you COVID-19. So take these tips. Wash your hand well and often. Wash for last 20 seconds with the soap and water or use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Try not to touch your eyes, nose, mouth, especially if you haven't washed your hand. So we need to follow some hygiene. So there are 5 things you need to know. First one is frequent washing of hand with soap and water or water with alcohol-based sanitizer. Second, avoiding touching nose, eyes and face. Third, avoiding close contact with the people who have a cold and cough. Fourth, staying at home when feeling unwell. Fifth, seeking help if one faces difficulty breathing, fever or a cough. So we know that daily number of cases are rise drastically. So this slide is mainly explain daily number of cases versus time since first case. We know slides show that daily number of cases with protective measure and without protective measure. Without protective measure, the daily number of cases rise drastically, but with protective measure, the daily number of cases are less. There are some side effects of COVID-19 pandemic. Following are the major impact of COVID-19 pandemic. We know that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, first impact of COVID-19 is economic impact. COVID-19 pandemic impacted our country economy. Our GDP growth rate is slowed down. Second one is financial impact. We know that due to the coronavirus pandemic, we have lockdown from last 3 months, and some industry or some companies are locked down due to this coronavirus. That's why the people don't have job and financial condition of people is very poor. 1.3 million people have lost their job in COVID-19 pandemic. Third one is educational impact. We know that due to the lockdown period, the school and colleges are locked. That's why the students are not going to their school. So this is big educational impact of COVID-19. Yeah, but there is some good things to come out of COVID-19 pandemic. Following are some good things are come out of COVID-19 pandemic. First one is pollution down. We know that before COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, there was lots of pollution in our country or in our city, especially like in Mumbai or in Delhi. We know that the Ganga river is more polluted river in our country. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, the pollution rate is slowed down. Our air pollution, water pollution is also less. Second one is clean hand back in fashion. So in lockdown period, people are mainly use alcohol-based sanitizer or soap to clean their hands. So clean hands back in fashion. Third one is spread value time with family. We know that before lockdown, people are busy with their scheduled work. They don't have time to spend with his family. But due to the lockdown, people are spending their valuable time with their family. Fourth one is community spirit. In lockdown period, our nation shows community spirit to avoid COVID-19 pandemic. Here is some do's and don'ts. Do's: face time your family and friends often. Keep a daily routine. Support your own elder parent. Don'ts: do not touch your face frequently, do not travel unless necessary, and do not go crowded places. So, stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, stop COVID-19. Thank you.